Alright, welcome back traders, and in today's video we're taking a look at Bitcoin, which right now is sitting in a very interesting position on the weekly chart. You can see here that price is holding firmly above this key support level, around the 110,000 area. 2 weeks ago, we saw Bitcoin close slightly below this key support level, but last week's candle managed to close back above that level, a clear sign of strength and a bullish signal showing renewed buyer interest. This is the level that's been holding the structure together, and as long as it continues to hold, Bitcoin remains in a bullish tone overall. In this video, we're going to break it all down, from the weekly to the short-term setup, and I'll show you exactly how the Quantum Trend, Quantum Smart Tool, Block Force, and AQ Pro MACD indicators are aligning at this zone. Before we dive into the analysis, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe if you're new here. We post daily Bitcoin and crypto videos with precise analysis. Also, keep in mind, our Signals group is available only for our premium members. To become a premium member, all you need to do is purchase the AQ Pro indicator, which is now available for only $1. Once you make the purchase, you'll immediately get an invite to our premium group, where we share all our live trade setups and updates in real time. And the best part is, it even comes with a 3-day risk-free access, so you can test everything out and see the results for yourself before committing fully. Alright, so here on our weekly chart, you can see the AQ Pro MACD indicators printing that classic line crossing above the signal line right here. And notice those green dots forming. That's usually the first sign of a bullish continuation. From that point, around October 2024, price started pushing higher. Now, if we move over here, you can see another crossover, this time with the classic line dropping below the signal line, and that gave us this short-term bearish retracement. But notice it didn't break the overall market structure. Fast forward to May 2025, and once again, the classic line crossed above the signal line. Green dots came in, and Bitcoin went straight back into another bullish leg. Then in August 2025, the classic line crossed back below the signal line. And since then, we've been forming this double top pattern right here on the weekly chart. Now, the most important thing here is this key support level. This is the level that's been holding Bitcoin up for several weeks now. As long as Bitcoin continues to hold above this 100,000 support level, we're still technically in a bullish trend. Now let's go down to the daily chart, because this is where things get more detailed. On the daily time frame, you can see Bitcoin moving inside this range. We have our support level below and resistance level above. In the last video, I mentioned that if the classic line crosses above the signal line again with a green dot, we could see a short-term bullish continuation. And if you look closely, that's exactly what just happened. Price has been making a nice push upward from this support area. This same setup has happened before. If you look back at September 2025, where the classic line crossed above the signal line, Bitcoin followed with a quick bullish reaction. That's the exact pattern we're seeing again right now. Now let's drop down to the 1-hour chart, and this is where things start to tighten up. You can see that Bitcoin has managed to close above this resistance zone, right around the 113,000 level. Over the weekend, price broke through this zone, tapped into this bearish order block, and now it's trying to stay above it. If price can hold above this bearish order block, we could easily see a continuation move to the upside. But if price starts rejecting from this bearish order block zone and fails to stay above it, we might see another pullback back down toward that 113,000 area to retest it as support. So overall, Bitcoin remains in a long-term bullish trend, supported by the weekly and daily structure. As long as this key weekly support continues to hold, Bitcoin structure remains healthy, and we'll keep watching for confirmation of the next major move. Also, keep in mind, our Signals group is available only for our premium members. To become a premium member, all you need to do is purchase the AQ Pro indicator, which is now available for only $1. Once you make the purchase, you'll immediately get an invite to our premium group, where we share all our live trade setups and updates in real time. And the best part is, it even comes with a 3-day risk-free access, so you can test everything out and see the results for yourself before committing fully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.